Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will answer a question in our Canva group, Canva tips and hacks from Chelsea Reynolds. They want an American flag in the background of four banner things. I think the four banners are these four. Okay, so let's try to make it. First, right click here and copy image, and I will go to Canva. I will choose Instagram post size, the square, and then right click here and paste. And for the first, I will increase the size of this image. Go to edit, scroll down, image upscaler. I will make it maximum and then click upscale. Click replace. Alright, so now I have it, and then I will increase the size. And then I will download it as PNG. And then go to your browser and type photopea.com, enter. And then upload your image that you just download here. Now, see the left side, there is a magic wand tool. Okay, now click it. And then click here. Alright. And then press delete button on your keyboard. Okay, now do the same for the other banner. Alright. And then see the tools above the magic wand, which is this lasso tool. And then click here and drag it around this fire text. And then put it off, and then press delete on your button keyboard. Okay, do the same for the three others. Alright, so now you have it. And then click File, Export as PNG, and then click Save. Back to Canva, and then select the image and click BG Remover. And then upload the PNG from Photopea here. And increase the size to fit the page. And then go to Position, Layers, and then send this one behind the first image, the first logo, I mean. Okay, now go to Element and find the USA flag and then paste it here. Increase the size like this. Now go to Position and then send it to the bottom. Alright, so now you have it. But if you want to make the text and the icon more visible, you have to add outline. So select this logo, the top logo, go to Edit, and then click Shadow, Outline, and then change color to white, and then reduce the size of the outline. Okay, I think 3 is enough, or maybe 5. Okay, so now you have it. I hope it's useful for you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.